For beginners, after passing the theory test, the next step is to pass the practical driving test. In today's video, we will discuss what to expect in the UK or London practical driving test, what topics will be tested, and how to prepare effectively. If you think that simply knowing how to drive is enough to pass the practical test, think again. Today we will also discuss the cost of the practical driving test in the UK or London, and how you can save money on payments. So, stay with us till the end. And if you have not subscribed yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more updates. You know, passing the practical driving test in the UK is about much more than just steering control. It's about showing your ability to maintain full control of the vehicles, confidently drive on the UK's roads, and drive safely in any situation. And before taking the practical test, you must first take driving lessons. If you are curious about how many lessons you will need, what the costs might be, and how to make payments, then you can check out our detailed video by clicking the I button above. Now, after completing your driving lessons, it's time to take the practical driving test. The practical driving test evaluates a candidate's ability to drive safely and confidently in various road and traffic conditions. During the test, you will drive with an examiner who will check your driving skills. The examiner will also check how well you understand driving rules and whether you can drive safely. And the examiner will evaluate your ability to control the vehicle, follow traffic signals, change lanes properly, park accurately, and evaluate the knowledge of different cars' functions. So, to pass the practical driving test, you need a strong understanding of speed limits, traffic rules, roundabouts, exits, junctions, and other road features. Additionally, your ability to park correctly and react appropriately in emergency situations will also be tested. You might be thinking, how much does the practical driving test cost? Before we get into that, if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please hit the subscribe button now. So, the entire practical test process usually takes around 40 to 45 minutes. For this test, the fee generally ranges from £62 to £65. However, on weekdays, it might be a bit cheaper, whereas if you take the test on a weekend, the cost can go up to around £72. On the day of your test, don't forget to bring your provisional driving license and your theory test pass certificate, because these are essential to take the test. When booking your practical driving test, try to choose a slot before 9 a.m. as the roads are relatively empty at that time. As soon as you pass your theory test, book your practical test date without delay. Booking a test slot can be quite challenging, as we have mentioned in previous videos. Check out the I button above for more details. It can take from 4 to 6 months to get a date, so don't delay. If your preferred test center is fully booked, try nearby centers. In short, if you cannot find a slot in one place, keep searching elsewhere. Book the earliest available slot at any center you can. Once you have booked your test date, check regularly between 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. for any last-minute openings in your free time. If you find an available slot, you can reschedule your test to that time. So, by following these strategies, you will be well prepared to pass your UK practical driving test on your first attempt. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and check out our other content on driving tips and techniques.